Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you a henna hair mask. So along with this henna powder, I am also using 3 hair care powders. So those are the Brahmi powder, and one more is the hibiscus powder, and the last one is the bringras powder. These are from the Banjaras brand. If these brands are not available, then you can take the products from any other brands. So actually the outer packaging looks like this. So in this video I will make the hair mask and I will also show you how to apply this. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. To prepare this mask, rather than using normal water, here I am going to use coffee and onion water. For this I have taken half cup of water. Into this I am adding coffee powder and 1 sliced onion, and we'll leave it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and strain the water. Then keep it aside for cooling. Now it's time to make the mask. For this I have taken Nupur henna powder. The amount should be taken according to your hair length and thickness. Here I am adding approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons. Then adding all those hair care powders whichever I have mentioned previously. Those are, again repeating, those are Brahmi powder, hibiscus powder and bringras powder. All of those powders I have added half of the packet. That means this one packet can be used twice. Then 2 tablespoons of honey goes into it. Next, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Then I am adding apple cider vinegar, which will help to prevent dandruff on our scalp. Here I have added approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now you can add any of your favorite hair oil. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of amla oil. The main reason for adding oil is it prevents frizziness and locks the moisture of your hair. Then mix everything properly. So the mask is ready. You can leave it overnight, otherwise keep it at least for 1 to 2 hours before applying. I kept that mask overnight. While applying in the morning, I added an egg into it. You can replace the egg with 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Now mix it again. It's time to apply the hair mask. For this, first of all detangle your hair, then start applying. Take small sections and start from the root towards the length of your hair. Pay special attention along your hairline. Once done, leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour, not more than this. Because if the henna gets dry, while washing you will rub your hair, which will lead to more hair fall. While rinsing out the henna, rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then apply shampoo and rinse. Lastly, apply a deep. So use this hair mask at least twice in a month to get a visible result. This was all about today's video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comment section below, and If you like this one, please hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.